Hello everyone, welcome to the MacBox. In this video, we will solve MCQs related to design of shaft. Our first question is, a shaft is said to be in pure torsion if the options are A. Turning moment is applied at one end and the other end is free. Option B. Turning force is applied at one end and other end is free. C. Two opposite turning moments are applied to the shaft. D. Combination of torsion load and bending load is applied to the shaft. The correct answer is option C. Two opposite turning moments are applied to the shaft. Next question. In power transmission equation, capital P is equal to 2 pi nt by 60,000. Options are A. Here P is in kilowatt and capital T is maximum torque. Option B. P is in Newton meter per second and T is maximum torque. Option C. P is Newton meter per second and T is mean torque, and option D, power P is in kilowatt and T is mean torque, and the correct answer is option D. Here power will be in terms of kilowatt and torque will be mean torque. Next question, which material is suitable for shaft material? Options are A. High speed steel, B. Stainless steel or high carbon steel, C. Grey cast iron, and option D. Steel having approx 0.4 percentage of carbon and 0.8 percentage of manganese, and the correct answer is option D. Next question is, if diameter of a shaft is doubled, the power transmitted capacity will be. Options are A. Either twice or half. Option B. 4 times. Option C. 8 times. And option D. It will be same. The correct answer is option C, because we are having D cube. So if we double the diameter, then the power transmitted capacity will be 8 times, 2 raised to 3. So correct answer is C. Next question. Two shafts in torsion will have equal strength if options are A. Only diameter of the shafts is same, B. Only angle of twist of the shaft is same, option C. Only material of the shaft is same, and option D. Only torque transmitting capacity of the shaft is same. And the correct answer is option D, when only torque transmitting capacity of the shaft is same. Next question, which of the following is not designed under torsional equation? Options are A. Spindle, B. Axle, C. Low cost shaft, and D. Shaft with variable diameter. And the correct answer is B. Axle, as it is only subjected to bending moment. Which of the following is incorrect? Options are A. In torsion equation, we use mean torque. B. In torsion equation, we use maximum torque. C. Many shafts are designed under combined bending and torsion load. And D. Shafts are also designed for torsional rigidity. Correct answer is option A. In torsion equation, we use mean torque is the incorrect answer. Next question, which of the following is incorrect? Options are A. In a solid shaft, maximum shear stress occurs at radius is equal to radius of shaft. Option B. In a solid shaft, maximum shear stress occurs at center. Option C. In a hollow shaft, maximum shear stress occurs at outer radius. In a hollow shaft, minimum shear stress occurs at inner radius. And the answer is B. Which of the following statement is correct? Options are A. There is neither advantage nor disadvantage in transmitting power at high speed. B. There is advantage in transmitting power at high speeds. C. There is disadvantage in transmitting power at high speeds. And option D. There is advantage in transmitting power at high speed provided shafts are made of high speed steel. And the correct answer is B. There is advantage in transmitting power at high speeds is correct statement. Next question. Torsional rigidity is defined as options are A. Capital T by theta, B. C theta, C. C into J, and option D only theta. Now here T is torque, theta is angle of twist, J polar moment of inertia, and capital C shear modulus of elasticity per column length. And the correct answer is C, capital C into J. Next question is, which of the following is not an assumption in the derivation of torsion equation? Options are A. Circular shaft remains circular after twisting. Option B. Plane section of the shaft remain plane after twisting. Option C. Material of shaft is isotropic. And option D. Angle of twist is proportional to radius. And the correct answer is option D. Angle of twist is proportional to radius. Next question. For same weight, same material, same length, options are A. Solid shaft is always stronger than a hollow shaft. Option B. Solid shaft is always weaker than a hollow shaft and strength ratio will depend upon dO by di of hollow shaft. Option C. Strength of both the shafts is equal. And option D. Strength of a solid shaft is always weaker and the strength ratio will depend upon dO by di of hollow shaft. And the correct answer is option B. Next question. For same length, same material and same length. Next question. For same length and same material, options are A. Weight of a solid shaft is less than weight of a hollow shaft. Option B. Weight of a solid shaft is more than weight of a hollow shaft. Option C. Weight of a hollow shaft and solid shaft will be same. And option D. Sometime more, sometime less. And the correct answer is option B. For two shafts in series or having different diameters for two parts of length, options are A. Total torque is equal to T1 plus T2. Option B. T is equal to T1 is equal to T2. Option C. T is equal to T1 minus T2. And option D. T is equal to 1/2 of T1 T2. And the correct answer is option B. T is equal to T1 is equal to T2. Next question. For two shafts in parallel or for two concentric shafts, Options are A. T is equal to T1 plus T2, B. T is equal to T1 is equal to T2, C. T is equal to T1 minus T2, and D. T is equal to 1 half of T1 into T2. And the correct answer is option A. T is equal to T1 plus T2. Next question. A shaft, options are, is always subjected to pure torsion, B. Combination of M and T but no end thrust, option C. Combination of torque and end thrust but no bending moment, and option D. May be subjected to a combination of capital M, capital T and end thrust. Here capital M is bending moment and capital T is twisting moment or torque. The correct answer is option D. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.